If you're thinking of selling your home, here's the truth. First impressions matter. In this video, I'll guide you through the most effective steps to prep your Tampa Bay home for sale for the market and to attract serious buyers. So let's jump in and get started. Hi, I'm Margaret Jackson with the Professional Agent Group with Keller Williams Realty, your trusted Florida real estate experts right here in beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida. Selling a home isn't just about putting a for sale sign in the yard. It's about showing your property in its best light. From the way your home looks online to how it feels in person, preparation is key in capturing buyer interest. And this video is here to help you understand some of what it takes to make your home stand out. Let's talk about decluttering and deep cleaning. Buyers want to envisage themselves in your space, so start by removing personal items, excessive furniture and clutter. A deep clean is essential. Think of your home as a product that's going on display. And don't forget the often overlooked areas. I'm thinking of things like baseboards, windows, and closets and cupboards. This is really the time to start some serious packing. Honestly, it's really helpful if you could just go out and get your moving boxes, clear a space in the garage and get busy, because in the ideal scenario, anything that you don't pack right now should be there by intention, and that one intention is to make your home look attractive to buyers. Once you've cleared things out though, and you can see the wood for the trees, go ahead and make any necessary repairs. Buyers and home inspectors, they're going to notice small details, so fix up front anything that might stand out. Thinking of things like leaky faucets, squeaking doors, chipped paint, broken tiles. At this stage, these are small investments that can make a big difference in how your home is perceived. Because when a home inspector and a buyer are looking, they're starting to attach dollar costs to those repairs, and they'll usually require that you get those repairs done later with a licensed professional. But when we work together, we also share a list of the most commonly overlooked items. Now, you know, many homes have some deferred maintenance, and in the Tampa Bay market, this can often mean looking at things like the age of your water heater, the age and condition of your roof and electrical panel, and sometimes replacements of those things are needed, and we're going to help you make the decision about what things to replace up front. One thing that I will say that we often see with sellers at this stage is don't fall into the trap of confusing needed and overdue maintenance with an upgrade. And timely replacement, for example, isn't an upgrade, and it can be the difference between a successful closing and a very frustrating failed transaction when the new buyer cannot get homeowners insurance. Even if you've had homeowners insurance for years, everything's changing and we've got new rules to play by. Next, that also really raises the need for sellers to make disclosures about the home, and you can find out more details on some things to consider about that on another video that we've done. Next, think about boosting curb appeal. Those first impressions start at the curb, don't they? Well, actually they don't. They start online when the home buyer sees your home's exterior online before they even visit your Tampa Bay listing. And that impression right then can make a buyer's no pretty solid right then. So we always want to make sure that you're making a good first impression. How do we do that? Well, as a listing agent in Tampa Bay, we always recommend make sure your lawn is cut, trim your plants, put in some fresh flowers or shrubs if needed, power wash the driveway, paint the front door if needed. That welcoming exterior sets the tone for buyers before they even walk inside. Now, when we list a Tampa Bay home for sale, we'll also give you additional suggestions about things to be doing up front in relation to your HOA and your insurance as part of your pre-listing preparation. Staging your home for buyers is next. Consider staging the house. You really do want to highlight its best features. So arrange furniture to make the rooms look spacious. Sometimes you need to neutralize your decor. So if you've got a strongly painted room, it might be time to neutralize and just tone that down a little bit and create some inviting spaces in the house. Staging, the purpose of it is to help the buyers picture themselves living there. By now, the home's clean, decluttered, and sometimes it might feel like it's nothing like it was when you lived in it. Here's the reality: the way we set up a home for sale, it just isn't the same way that we live in it. And our goal as listing agents is to help you prepare it right, price it right, and get it under contract in a reasonable amount of time, which also then does limit the time that you need to keep your house so perfectly staged. Once all the preparation is done, professional photos and marketing are next. Most buyers, like we said, are starting their search online, so high quality photos are an absolute must. And we always hire a professional photographer who knows how to capture your home in the best light. So we also consider including video tours or drone footage to enhance your listing as well, depending on the situation that we're in. So if you're ready to sell your Tampa Bay home, preparation is the first step towards that successful sale. If you need help creating a personalized plan to get your home market ready, reach out to me today. You can email me at margaret@professionalagentgroup.com. We'd love to guide you through the process and help you get your home sold for top dollar. Make it a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.